Hey guys, Bolt here for another video, and today we are still looking for something. I don't know exactly what I'm looking for. I feel like I'm looking for the perfect area for a base though, and I love these guys because they act just like like I can't remember the name. Koopa Troopas from Mario. Look at this. So look at this. I stop on him. I jump on him once. He closes up and then jump on him a second time. Ooh, and he does damage. Ow. It does damage too. You evilly cute creature. Well, to be fair, that's kind of my fault. Anyways, nice little reference just there. And I accidentally planted these. Oh, these are gone. Might as well break them. Oh, hey, look, it's a cabin. Oh, wait, is that a village? Finally, a village! I should really get some wool. Well, maybe I can take a bed from the village. I'm sure they don't mind, right? How dare you rudely take... Oh, hey, a toolbox. That'll be useful. Oh, that... I lost the toolbox. Fair. I guess I'll take a schematic table as well. Okay, and I'm finally getting started with the create mod. And we also gotta check out this house over here. Same thing, and I already have... Hey! I already have all of that. These villagers are so rude though, like, they be shutting doors in my face for no reason. Yes, this will be really useful actually. Now, would you kind sir, please go somewhere else. Yep, yeah, you. Go, please. Do I have a pickaxe? How do I not have a stone pickaxe yet? Clicky broke, whatever. It's one thing. Can this break that? It's two things. Where'd my screw go? Oh, that's right there. Let's get rid of that bone real quick. I haven't quite have a toolbox now, so I can just do that real quick. Put all this stuff in real quick. Put that in as well. And that. Can I put other items inside? Oh, hey, look at that, I can. In that case, just mine some more gear. Oh, wait, I should probably have... Oh, to be honest, I have that as well, so... Perfect. You, move it, please. I respectfully ask you to move it. What else don't I need right now? Wait, did I get oh, never mind. In that case... And there, a little bit more inventory. And, wait, was there a redstone sign in the store? No. It should be new then. Train mechanic? Okay, now I'm interested. Interested. Whatever. That's not something that should concern me right now. I'll also take the chest if you don't mind. Never mind, my inventory is full. Let's see, are there any more buildings? Any more unique buildings to the create mod? Don't think I've seen this house yet. Actually, I have. Never mind. What the heck happened here? Oh, another toolbox. Oh, I can only have one toolbox at a time. That kind of sucks, actually. Wait, if I take something away, can I have multiple toolboxes at the same time? Okay, I can. Never mind then. Okay then. So I'm still wondering what happened. What happened here? Oh, that guy's scared me for a second. I knew he was there too. Get down there real quick. Wait, do they all hold the same thing? Okay, that they did for a second. I guess this will be my toolbox for stones. That goes there. That'll also go there, and the last addition, that will go there. Perfect. It's a color scale too. Nice. That's one toolbox. The second toolbox is where all my mechanical tools will go. Which isn't actually that much. So, yeah, I don't really know what to do about that, to be honest. I'm gonna pick that back up real quick. And I don't think I actually need another schematic table. Well, I will take another of this. Let's see, which one is the new one? I think it's this one? No. Is it this one? I think it's this one. That means it's this one. This one can be where I store all my solid blocks that I don't need at the moment. What else could I put in here? I think that's all, actually. In that case, I'll just scrap this up, put that right there. I should have enough for a full set of iron armor now, I think. Okay. So, is there anywhere else I haven't seen yet? I know I've seen these two houses. It seems like every house in this village is unique, not like the old houses. I've seen one other type of house, but otherwise, no. I love the animation for this too. 1, 2. Let's see, I think this one is the new one? Nope. This one? Yeah. Items that you can't place down or are unique to. Okay, this is going to be the Alex's mobs and biomes of plenty box. I need to name it. I'll need to name these eventually. I'll have to put everything that has something to do with nature here. So, food, I'll leave that out for now. Pumpkin seeds. Just in case I need to tame a crow, that'll be there, I guess. And I'll put some meat there too. In that case, yeah. I think I'm done here. Wait, can I just put that down there and instantly get it? Okay, that's pretty cool actually. These are pretty cool alternative to shulker boxes. Ow. Right now, Bash probably got bad soon. Oh hey, look, there are gears on top. How did I not notice that before? So, how would I get that? That's one gear. That's 3. And that's all. Perfect. 3 gears. Oh wait, I already raided this house. Never mind. I'm just gonna leave you there. And, well, not really raided, kindly borrowed stuff from this house. Yeah, that's more accurate. If you're wondering why I said slain by zombies, because I was AFK before I started filming this, so. Okay. See seasonal forest. So you mean the next season it'll completely change? Because if so, that's pretty cool. And I just saw redstone. I should probably take that. And oh, that's rare. Oh, hello, kind sir. Would you like to die today? Ow! Come on, man. That's mean. I'm already dying. Don't have to finish the job. Stop placing down. That's the thing I hate about these stairs, that you're always accidentally placing something down. Should really go get some. I don't know anymore, to be honest. I'm gonna see if there's any more gears around the area. Are there any over here? Yes, there is. Perfect. Just gotta, just mind that real quick. Can this mind that? Yes, it can. Man, will you stop pushing me? If anything, I'm doing these villagers a favor, making their houses look better. Yeah. What about in the front? Are there any? Sorry, in the back, I guess. Are there any at the back? Nope. How many screws do I have now? 6. Oh, hey, armor. Perfect. Maybe just, 2 of them? Oh, oop, that was an accident, Don't call it. I didn't call him. Well, I'm gonna have to get out of here quickly. And just some extra. 3? Can I just, well, I can't convert it back to iron. Oh, that sucks. That's extra then. I'm just gonna put the toolbox down. Wrong one. I'm gonna put a toolbox. So wrong one. But it is in 100. Oh, at least it actually counts it. See, what isn't full? Everything's full, so, well, this counts as some. Well, actually, just take that out real quick. Let's see, where's my box of inanimate objects? Everything useful goes here, I guess. It's already almost nighttime. Don't think so, but still. Oh, hey. How many are there this time? Okay, there. Dang, those villages. They really upgraded the villages here. I'll just put that there. It feels so weird being able to stack. Where did I keep the other? Never mind. Anyways. Oh hey, they're pretty ground. Sort of. They're halfway there. Well, more. But anyways. Did I actually explore this house? Yes, I did. In that case, I think I'm free to go now. And I just remembered I was heading in this direction. I will edit this exploring part out real quick until I find the perfect place to settle down. At least until I'm near there. Future me will know. And okay, I'm back. If you're wondering why I'm holding pumpkin seeds, I found a crow and I want to tame it. Get back here. I thought you needed pumpkin seeds. Get back here. Wait, actually, where did it go? Oh, it's right there. Here, crow, crow. Oh, come on. Stupid. Whatever. Let me check the book. Wrong thing. I think this is where the book is. Nope. Wait, what's in here? I think the book is in here. I think it was in the last chest. Oh, sorry. Last toolbox. Where the heck did I keep that book? Oh, it's right there. Let's see. Crow, crow, crow. It says here that, tossing them some pumpkin seeds. Not directly feeding it to them. Tossing them some. Okay. Okay, here, crow, crow. I don't exactly know what to call you. Here, crow, whatever your name is. And I think he's gone. That's sad. I'll get over him eventually. Or her, maybe. Who knows? I don't know. What is happening to my mouse right now? Oh, I finally used for my bed. It's almost nighttime. I'll keep that there just in case. And yep, I think I should set up camp right under this tree here. And there we go. Daytime already. I should really add a mod that makes the day and night cycle longer, but for now, no, I guess. Right now, I'm exploring, like the adventurer I am. Oh, hey, more berries. That'll be useful. Are they fully grown? Okay. Perfect. Got more of these not very good tasting berries. But maybe they're good tasting. But they're called sweet berries, so. Aren't most berries sweet though? Can't just give a specific berry the name of sweet berry. Like strawberries are sweet and sour, same as blueberries. Well, blueberries are mainly just more sweet. Raspberries are pretty sour. I would name more, but I don't want to right now. And we are encountering a snow biome. Oh, so another raven. Wait, get back, get back. Here, have some pumpkin seeds. Yay! A pet crow. Easy now, buddy. Okay, so how exactly can I get him to, on my shoulder? Extremely useful creatures. Okay, in that case, just follow me, I guess. He follows me. Cool. In that case, there we go. And they attacked me too. Imagine that doesn't attack your own. Oh hey, he does sit on my shoulder. Attack throw number 1. Maybe I should get attack throw number 2. There you go, buddy. Yeah, you better come back. Hey, where are you going? Rude. Take some more. I dare you. Hey, get back here. You still see bugs and seeds. You still see them. Don't eat them. But you better. Now let's go. There's probably a void of snow biome, so I'm just gonna see if I can teleport wherever I want to go. But I won't have widow, but I don't even know. Where's my other crow? Oh, right on my shoulder. Are both of them on my shoulder? Okay, that's actually very cute, not gonna lie. Okay, avoid powder snow at all costs. If so, I'm just gonna teleport out, but seriously, powder snow is so annoying. Any Minecrafter who's played for as long as I have and saw when powder snow is added, no, it's extremely annoying to have to deal with. And plus, if I do find powder snow, there's a good possibility that my attack drones / birds over here are gonna die. So I don't want that. I'm gonna see if I can teleport to the area over. I'm gonna see if I can teleport to the area over here. I'm gonna see if I can. I'm gonna try to teleport. I'm gonna try to do this as quickly as possible. Oh, yep. Yep, powder snow. Okay. Hey, my crows come with me. It's cool. Gonna sit here and wait for myself to heal. Okay, that's enough sitting around. Let's keep on going. Ow. Trying to be as careful as possible as I can around this area. It's pretty easy to tell if something's powder snow, but if it's snowing, it becomes really hard. But hey, this thing, the mod I have on right now, wthit. What the heck is this? That is not a snow block. That is not the name of that. Never. I don't know what's what anymore. The actual snow blocks exist. So now I'm my way out of here. Or actually, I see a place I can teleport to. Just right there. Perfect. In that case, on I go. Because nobody's gonna turn with me, so. Oh shoot, that's where's my okay, both close are still here. You know, that's the useful thing about journey maps. That you can just teleport wherever. Like this ravine, for example. If I wanted to teleport over, I could just, set it somewhere like right there and see, cross the ravine, no problem, no problemo. But the only problem was getting down. Like, okay. Just, Ow! Okay, can I sleep or something? Stop doing that. I actually hate this. Whatever. Although we could hurt you when they're not mature. Why are there so many ravines around this area? And I think I just entered a seasonal forest. Oh, hey. I feel like this is the perfect biome setup base. We just TP on top of there, just to go check it out, real quick. I would say this is perfect, but way too much effort. Well, you know, way too much risk of falling off to your doom. I'm just saying. I'm gonna try to avoid this mountain this time. In fact, I'm just gonna teleport there this time. Perfect. Now, let's see what goes on further. The mountain or the forest or the meadow or whatever biome right now. Orchard. I've never seen biomes change that quickly before. Oh, probably have actually. Or maybe. You know. Do I try to make the jump? No, I do not. Well, I will have to eventually. I think around here is perfect spot to try. Not to die. Not if I just teleport back. Okay, I'm safe still. Okay. I'm gonna put on me. I guess my two crows and I keep on exploring this world of no name. Not exactly a poet. Gotta pick that rock. And hooray! More ocean. I'm just gonna edit this part out naturally. Oh, maybe I will. It's just a few. Not even up to. That wouldn't even be up to 15 seconds of. Well, that wouldn't even be up to 20 seconds of video. So, no, I'm not gonna edit that out. Where'd my boat go? Oh. Where's my other crow? Oh, they're both right there. I wonder where my boat went. Oh, right there. Come on, crows. No time for us to swim. Come on, man. Bob. Joe. The attack drone. Hurry up, man. I'll start walking while I'm trying to perch on my shoulder. Okay, finally he's on. Is it nighttime yet? Please say it's nighttime. Yes, it's nighttime. I just realized there's a clock above that area. Oh, I said hop up there. And I feel like I'm relying on this mod a lot, but to be honest, in a world like Minecraft, where randomly there's a bunch of, well, dirt and grass, and then there's just a ravine. Kind of hard not to rely on a mod that can teleport you anywhere you are at any given time and moment. I'm just gonna edit this part while I'm looking for a place to stay, because did I say last episode that I was gonna find a place to stay this episode? Oh, whatever. I'll just edit that out, maybe. Because I know you guys don't want to sit here and watch me run around, so. Oh, hey, look, I found a village. Okay. Let me go see what the create mod has in store for me. In these village houses. Chests, nothing. I'll take the iron though. So, how would I make a saw? Let's craft this up real quick. What else should does the create mod have in store for me in these houses here? Is that the only one? I think that was the only one. Oh, hey, look, more crows. Do I want more attack drones? But just in case they decide, I'll leave some stuff right there for them. Oh, they're gonna come back eventually. I'm doing these villagers a favor, helping them with the pest problem. Okay, in that case, just wait long enough for all the crows to get over here. Oh dang, these guys are annoying. One just flew as high as it could and then dropped on one of the crops. Okay. That one of my crows? No. The one crow I've never seen before. Okay, nice. I'm just gonna drop all the seeds I possibly can right now. I'm becoming the crow breeder. The tamer of crow. I'm gonna go get crows over there just real quick. Follow me, my army of crows, as I drop a bunch of seeds over there. Yes, crows, I am the hand who feeds you. Never bite that hand, the hand who feeds you. Do I have that many crows following me? Dang. I'm gonna drop some more seeds right there. Gonna see how much damage that does. Okay. Just wait for all the crows. Okay, I think that's all the crows I'm fighting right now. In that case. Crow vendors, assemble and charge in this specific direction. Okay. Let's head over here. Okay. I want to see how much damage my crows do. Oh, hey, look, it's on it. Okay. Oh, come on, man. Get over here. You know you want some seeds. Okay. In that case, where's that raccoon? Provengers. Assemble. Ow. He's attacking me. The thing is attacking me. Pacify the beast. You guys are not doing a very good job at pacifying the beast. Oh, is it gone? That was actually a pretty good job, not gonna lie. They do twice the damage to undead creatures. Okay, that's actually, ow. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, I'm gonna go test this thing out. These basically attack show me with something that wouldn't try to kill me back. Okay. Bye. Sheep. Okay, I'm gonna watch this with. But first, I should probably sleep. Oof, that looks brutal. I want to see it again. Oof. Pretty good without actually having to do it myself. Epic. Gonna see if I can get a crow. I'm gonna see if I can get a crow to hold the sword. Oh wait, I just realized I'm heading in the wrong direction. Is there another crow among us? There is not another crow among us. I'm heading in the wrong direction too. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I heard an eagle. Okay. Well, fortunately for me, I can just teleport back there. Woohoo! And is that... What is that? Crim? It's a really interesting name. Crimicide. I should probably also remove that death marker real quick, you know? Remove real quick. And there we go. And I just noticed, wait, I thought there was iron. I swear I just saw some iron there. Oh, whatever. Crimicide. More crimicide. Those two things do not look the same. Okay. Anyways, I'm kinda... Oh wait, iron. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this episode on a kind of stuck note. Gonna just try to climb my way out of this ravine. Ravine. And then this episode is over.